The new definition of defined instantaneous trip circuit breaker is clear and concise. This definition specifies that a DIT breaker opens within one cycle when subjected to an overcurrent equal to or greater than 11 times its rated current. This aims to address concerns about inconsistent breaker response to short circuits and ground faults, especially in 120-volt branch circuits. The lack of a standardized magnetic response in existing breakers can hinder the effectiveness of equipment grounding conductors as required by Article 250.4. A5. The introduction of DIT breakers intends to reduce the risk of electrical fires by minimizing thermal responses to fault conditions. The proposal states that the NEC often includes specific product performance requirements implemented through standards. Article 240.87 addresses circuit breakers installed in dwelling units. It proposes that 120/240-volt circuit breakers rated 50 amps or less installed in dwelling units to meet the requirements of 210.20 shall be of the DIT type. There are exceptions. Exception number 1 allows the use of non-DIT type circuit breakers in compliance with 240.4 at the discretion of the authority having jurisdiction on circuits protecting specific loads with high inrush current or motor starting current where a DIT breaker can be shown to nuisance trip. Exception number 2 applies where 240.3 or 240.4. She applies. This limitation to dwelling units recognizes that instantaneous clearing at 11 times rated current is less likely to cause nuisance tripping in residential environments. The exceptions accommodate specific installation circumstances and appliances with high inrush current. Article 240.87 includes all 120/240 circuit breakers rated 50 amps or less installed in dwelling units, including arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters. A new marking requirement is proposed in 240.83. F. Adding to the existing marking requirements. Circuit breakers installed in accordance with 240.87 shall be marked with the letters DIT in accordance with 240.83. A. This labeling will easily identify standard circuit breakers meeting the DIT performance requirement. Proposal Terminus 55 aims to improve electrical safety by defining and requiring DIT circuit breakers in specific residential applications. It balances enhanced protection with practical considerations, allowing for exceptions where necessary.